Hello everyone, my name is Safia Mohamed Umar. I am a doctoral student of University of Abuja Sustainable Development Center. I am here to present a research proposal titled Assessment of Renewable Energy Potential in Northeast Nigeria. First and foremost, one will want to ask, what is renewable energy? Renewable energy refers to energy generated from natural resources that can be replenished over time, reducing reliance on fossil fuel and mitigating climate change. According to the United Nations Development Programme 2020, renewable energy refers to energy from natural sources that are renewable, such as solar, wind, biomass, hydro, which can help reduce greenhouse gas emission. There are various types of renewable energy, such as solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, tidal energy, and biofuel. Benefits. The following are the benefits of renewable energy. It is sustainable, it reduces greenhouse gas emission, it creates jobs, it improves energy independence, it improves air quality. My research proposal presentation comprises of 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is the introductory chapter, which consists of background of the study, the statement of research problem, the research hypothesis, the research questions, the objective of the study, the significance of the study, and the scope of the study. Talking about the research questions, the study aims to address the following research questions. 1. What are the available renewable energy resources in Northeast Nigeria? How feasible is the implementation of renewable energies in the region? What potential socio-economic benefits could arise from renewable energy in that zone? And finally, what challenges hinder the development of renewable energy in Northeast Nigeria? The objective of the study are as follows. 1. To assess the availability and potential of renewable energy resources, including solar, wind, biomass, and hydropower. 2. To evaluate the feasibility of implementing renewable energy technologies in the region. 3. To analyze the socio-economic impacts of renewable energy adoption on local communities. 4. To identify and examine the barriers of renewable energy development in Northeast. Chapter 2 is about literature review of previous studies on renewable energy. Chapter 3 is about the methodology that will be adopted for the study. I will be using I'll be employing a mixed method approach of both qualitative and quantitative methodologies to obtain a holistic understanding of renewable energy potential in Northeast. The qualitative aspect focuses on exploring the perceptions, attitudes, and experience of stakeholders regarding renewable energy. It includes interviews and focus groups with local community members, government officials, and energy experts. The quantitative includes surveys and questionnaires, data collection, There are basically two sources of data collection. You have the primary data and the secondary data. The primary data will include interviews, questionnaires, surveys, while the secondary data will be collected from government reports, meteorological data, and literature review on renewable energy. Another question one will want to ask is why the Northeast for this study? I chose the Northeast for this study because of its abundant and untapped renewable sources in that region. The Northeast region of Nigeria has six states, namely one, Borno State, Adamawa State, Gombe State, Yobe State, Bauchi State, and Taraba State. Due to the abundant due to the climatic condition of that region, it has abundant sunlight which can be used to solarize Nigeria. Now to the outcomes. The outcomes of the study includes the following: comprehensive assessment of renewable energy such as solar, hydro, wind, biomass. Evaluation of technical and economic feasibility of renewable energy projects in that region. 3. Identification of policies and regulatory barriers to renewable energy development in Northeast. 4. Improve energy access and security for local communities. 5. Increase renewable energy adoption in Northeast. 6. Contribution to sustainable development and climate change mitigation. These outcomes will contribute to the achievement of United Nations SDGs. SDG 7, which is about affordability and clean energy. SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. And SDG 13, climate action. Conclusion. The proposed study, the proposed research aims to bridge the knowledge gap on renewable energy in Northeast region, a region plagued by energy poverty and conflicts. By conducting a comprehensive assessment on solar, wind, biomass, energy resources, this study will provide a valuable insight to policymakers, investors, and stakeholders. The recommendations and findings of this research will contribute to the global effort to increase renewable energy adoption and mitigate climate change. The research duration is 12 months, and the budget for this research is 42 million. Thank you. I would like to use this opportunity to thank the director of the of the Sustainable Development Center, University of Abuja, in the person of Professor Sule Magaji for his fatherly guidance. I would also like to thank my other lecturers, Professor Sadiq, Professor Omar, Dr. Giwa Gorozo, and Dr. Mrs. Akambi. I will also finally like to thank Dr. Adiza Ahmed, my supervisor. Thank you all for this opportunity.